Good morning, children. Today, 8th standard lesson. 8th standard children, after this, you observe the video and read a lesson. Then afterwards, write notes. You want to fill in the blanks, notes. Then match the price in the textbook. You write afterwards. First, listen this video. See, the first lesson we are going to study that political science. First lesson, importance of the political science. So, in 8th standard. So in 7th standard, we did not study this political science and all. So when you come to the 8th standard, we have a 6 subject, 6 aspects: history, political science, even sociology, geography, business studies, and economics. So these are the 6 divisions that we are going to study. Among them, this is also one. That's a political science. So the first lesson is importance of political science. Why we should study the political science? So political science means it's a politics which deals with other countries, other state, in between the politics, many parties and functions of the leaders, qualities of the leaders, then qualifications of the MLAs, MPs that we are all going to study in this political science. So here in this lesson there are some political thinkers also. You see Aristotle, you see, or Plato. And another important person is these are political thinkers: Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. These are the important political thinkers. Explains what is that political science. That also we learn in this lesson. So first, political science is one of the social science. Political science is also one of the social science which deals with the man, deals with the human beings. And in this lesson, in this political science, we study activities of the man, activities of the people, activities of the leaders. And especially in this, we learn a state of government, state of the government, status, what kind of status we have, low status, high status, or average status we have. That one we can understand through the political science. Next, in the political science, we see in this lesson origin of the political science, nature of the political science, and a status of the political science that you study. The political science main object is to study the status of the political science, status of the human beings. What kind of status we have, that only we study this political science. That is the main object of the political science. Next, this political science, the word is derived from the Greek language. The Greek is the first language in the country introduced it. But many other dynasties, many countries also introduced the political science. First Egypt, Greek, Egypt, Babylonians, Persians, Indians, and Chinese people. So these all the countries, they study political science, they introduce a political science. In all these countries there is a political science. But the Egypt's political science which they introduced, they did not follow in a systematical way because of the failure to administrate in the politics. See, the Greek word, the politics means the city-state. In the Greek word, the politics means a city-state. City-state. So here, the Greek philosopher Socrates, Advan Plato, these are the political thinkers. So these also explains what it is the political science, what are the functions. And Plato, student is called Aristotle. Aristotle also is called a father of political science because he has written a book, Politics. In that he explains how the political science originates, then how it development, next functions of the political science, status of the political science. So before that, the Plato also written a book. That book name is called a Republic. So in that, the first time, the Plato explains what are the functions of the political science and what are the nature of the political science. What are the qualities the leader should have and how to behave in the politics. that and all he explains. Next, we come to understand what are the importance of the political science. So in this lesson, nearly 8 to 10 points they are given. Why we have to study political science? What are the uses of the human beings? So first one is a political science. It explains the present age and developments of the state government and status of the government and functions of the state government. That and all they explains. If you want to know the status of the functions of the government, you have to go through the political science. See, present age and development of the political science, status of the political science, functions, that and all we should go through the political science. So second important point is that it provides a origin and developments and freedom and justice, laws, what are the rules and regulations we have to follow. Equality, what kind of equality we have in the politics. Next, what is good government, what is the bad government. So, which is the what takes place, then which is the peace treaties were conducted in between two countries, that and all we explains. See, second one, political science explains the origin, developments, freedom, justice, the laws which are in the constitution, equality, then good government and bad government, next to wars and peace agreements. So this all we come to know through the political science. Third one is it provides the birth and growth of the political science and types of political science, which are the types we have. Then how it grows, then where it takes place first. Fourth one is it provides a structure of the state government, how the state government formation takes place. When the MLAs or MPs, then a governor or a speaker, deputy speaker, how this takes place. How this session takes place, that and all they explains through this political science. Political science also provides the structures of the state government. Next, political science provides you a knowledge of our constitution. What is constitution? What are the rules and regulations we have? And what are the laws regarding the constitution? So political science explains. So from low to bottom, what are the rules and regulations we have, that all are mentioned in the constitution. That's very important that it explains. Next, to run a state government or a central government, we need three organs, which is the legislature, executive, judiciary. So this, the political science explains what is legislature, then executive, then judiciary. Legislature means who have the power to prepare the rules and regulations to making a laws. Then we have to bring the laws into the force. Next, if the people go against the laws, for them the punishment. So that and all the legislature, executive and judiciary explains. Next, the political science gives you a consciousness of the people. Consciousness. Rajikiyadalli consciousness irrelevant. So that and all they explains. Where we have, for example, voting power. Vote, nowadays the election, Gram Panchayat election taking place. So to whom to vote? Who is a good person, candidate, that and all we should see. So that's called a consciousness. Next to alertness, next to activity, that and all. So next to leaders. In the political, the leaders also very important. So nowadays politics is what is that? We don't have any proper person, good person, because corruption is more. Without corruption, there is no politics nowadays. See, leaders, civil servant, then how to solve the problems which arise in the political parties, that and all they explains. See, leaders, what kind of qualities they should have. Next to civil servant, workers, government officials, explaining that. Next, if any problem comes, how to solve. So that and all they explains. Next, ninth one, local bodies. You see, Taluk Panchayat, Gram Panchayat, then Jilla Panchayat. That all comes under Local bodies, nowadays the election is going to take place because of local bodies. How it takes place, what the rights, duties, functions, that all explains. Next to federation, next to parties we know, there are a variety of parties. Not only Congress, BJP, there are so many parties, JDS, so many parties are there. That and all explains. Next, so these are the importance of the political science. Political science gives you this all information. So because in this India, for example, Karnataka, if you take up nearly 6.5 crore people, if you want to live a happy life, if you want to live a happy life, people should understand what is political science, then who are our leaders, whom to choose, whom to vote, that and all. If you choose a good person will give you a good service. Then after that, all people can live a happy life. So children, you are read once again in your textbook, then afterwards you complete the notes, fill in the blanks, then match the following, then question answer.